Grate pallet made in USA. This is some of our Patriot cage products. This is the cage made by Americans. We've supplied over 6,000 Patriot cages to the United States military since 2006. We've done so with not one quality problem. We've done so with all American labor, and the majority of our materials have been supplied by a Navy veteran-owned small business. This is our easy glide out containment and equipment trays. These can be used for hazardous materials, any type of equipment. It could be large boxes, it could be small items. We can provide lids, we can provide waterproof covers, we can provide organizers for the interior. These cages, these containment pans slide out, so you can have the whole pan loaded, portion of the pan loaded. Two people could slide it out and just manually carry it to a vehicle or aircraft. Additionally, larger pans, they can just slide out as well. Same thing. They can actually be utilized with a forklift. If you stay tuned and you watch the video to the end, you'll see us bringing in a forklift and just easily sliding these pans off the forklift. Additionally, this cage here is made to go too deep in a Tricon container. You could just leave the side panels off the back, and you can actually slide the pans through to the Tricon below it. If you need to, for some reason you only have a one-door Tricon and you need to utilize the back contents of the container as well, which basically you turn your cage now into a racking system to utilize in the Tricon for the entire shelf level of the entire Tricon, instead of just having to split into a half unit. So how these originally were intended to be used was in a Tricon, too deep, like this unit here. We have NSNs for this unit, as well as many other sizes that are available through DLA troop support. I do want to talk to you a little bit about the unique characteristics of our cages. The Grate pallet name was actually developed because of our utilization of industrial steel bar grading in the base payload floor of our Patriot cages, and also just pallet products in general. Our products collapse more compact, so this entire cage here, this is 4 units stacked collapsed. So we can fit 2 of our assembled units in a Tricon. We can fit 8 collapsed units in a Tricon for retrograde shipping and savings. Additionally, our cages have 2-inch adjustable shelves. We can either provide full-length shelves or half-length shelves. The longer shelves are better for longer tent-hold items. Also, our units can stack, so this unit stacks on top, just like these other units you see, and you can actually pin the units together, lock the units together once they're stacked to provide visual and added stability and visual confirmation that the unit is locked. The bottom unit is locked to the top unit. The most critical characteristics that I believe of our units is the fact that the end wall is hinged to the base and permanently connected to the base. So you don't have to worry about somebody not engaging a pin to make sure that this, when sling loaded or hoisted, that this unit does not come disconnected from the base platform. I've seen other racking systems in the field that have their end walls, you have to manually lift them onto the cage, which they're very heavy, they're not ergonomic, and then you have to engage a mechanical device to lock it on. Ours are already locked on when they leave the facility. So this minimizes the chance of error by the assembler, and obviously maximizes safety. If this unit is being lifted over people or equipment, that minimizes the risk of the cage dropping. Also, if it's a replenishment situation between ships, you don't have to worry about losing gear because somebody forgot to engage the end wall. Permanently attached end walls, I think that's our #1 benefit, other than being made in USA. Made in USA is #1. Additionally, I talked about the the hoisting provisions and the sling load. We also have the tie down provisions on the ends. We have tie downs, internal tie downs. This makes things simple. This speeds up mission critical gear, Fort to Foxhole. Give us a call. We want to help, even if it's a custom design. We can do it. Anything out of metal, anything out of waterproof fabric, we can make it right here in the United States. Let's stop buying overseas. Let's buy American-made USA products. Thank you for joining us. Keep watching the video. See some of the forklift movement where we're utilizing pulling the pans out. You can see how you can move your equipment quick. Stay organized. Stay ready. Support our warfighters, #1. Thank you for your service.